everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 鶏とピーマンの醤油マヨ炒め. It's chicken and bell pepper, stir-fried with soy sauce and mayonnaise. Another super easy recipe that you can whip up in 10-15 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the dish. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of chicken tenderloin. Chicken breast would be good too. Some bell peppers. I'm using 5 because these are small, but please adjust depending on the size of your bell pepper. Some salt and pepper. 2 tablespoons each of sake and potato starch. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and mirin. As always, let's do all the cutting first. Bell pepper, cut into half. Remove the seeds and the pith. And let's make it into thin strips. Chicken. I want to remove the tendon here, so prepare a fork and put the tendon like this and grab it using kitchen paper and pull. And you can easily remove the tendon like this. Let's cut it into diagonal strips. Put the chicken in the bowl. 2 tablespoons of sake. 2 tablespoons of potato starch. And some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. And let's just mix it well. Now, I'm making the seasoning. In the bowl of 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, add mirin and soy sauce. Give it a mix. And the seasoning is ready. Super easy. Heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. I'm using rice oil, but you can use any oil you like. Let's cook the chicken. over medium heat and it looks like chicken is all cooked. So let's add the bell pepper strips. Keep cooking until the bell pepper is wilted. Then add the mayo soy sauce mixture. Keep cooking for another 1 minute. Okay, it's done. Let's serve in the plate here. If you want to add some spiciness, shimi Japanese chili mix. And 鶏とピーマンの醤油マヨ炒め is ready to go. Tasting. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The chicken tenderloin is very lean and it can be too dry depending on how you cook it. But thanks to the soy sauce mayonnaise, it's so rich and flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とピーマンの醤油マヨ炒め is the main, so it goes here. The main is rich, so let's have something refreshing for the side dishes. How about onion and wakame salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, your favorite miso soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!